Welcome back to another video with Cooking with Lux. Today I'm going to show you how to make those irresistible ooey gooey cinnamon rolls. Let's get into it. Starting with the dough, all the details of this recipe are in the description box below. Now we'll need our hands to incorporate the dough together. To incorporate the dough, you will need to add 1 tablespoon of water periodically. This will help bind the dough together. The dough texture should not be sticky. To get the best results out of the dough, start kneading it on a floured surface for 5 minutes and then shape it into a ball. Next, I'm adding oil to the bowl so the ball of dough is well moisturized before we let it rise. Cover the bowl for 1 hour at room temperature. Now that the dough is ready, on a floured surface, start rolling it out into a rectangle shape. The rectangle should at least be 14 by 8 inches. Separate any chunks of brown sugar and cinnamon and evenly spread the mixture around. To get those famous cinnamon swirls, use the longest side of the dough and start rolling it inwards. You can find all the measurements of this recipe in the description box below. If you like this video so far, give it a thumbs up. Now take your baking pan and grease all sides with butter. I'm using a double-sided sewing thread to get slices for my cinnamon roll without losing its shape. This recipe makes about 10 to 12 rolls. Next, cover the roll so it can expand its shape. If you don't want to bake all the cinnamon rolls at once, you can freeze the remaining. Once you're ready to indulge in them again, just pop them in the fridge overnight and bake them the next day. Now pop the rolls in the oven and let's get started on the frosting. To make the frosting, make sure the butter and cream cheese have softened. For this process, I recommend using a hand mixer. When you pop these cinnamon rolls out of the oven, your house is going to smell amazing. Now let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes before you add the cream cheese frosting. Then you can indulge in that ooey gooey cinnamon roll. for the love of cinnamon rolls. I had so much fun making this. I hope you guys try it soon. You can also check me out on Instagram at Cooking with Lux. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys soon.